Hi, this is Adish from Informatica PIM support team. Today we are going to look at how to merge repository in PIM. Okay, so the agenda for the video is why we need to merge the repository. So what's the need? So basically, let's say if you're upgrading from PIM 7 to PIM 8, let's say you're upgrading from PIM 7.1.04 to 8.0.6 version. Now you have some of the custom sub entities you have configured, or you have the custom enums that you have configured in your PIM 7.1.04 repository. Now as you are upgrading your PIM version from PIM 7.1.04 to, let's say, PIM 8.0.6, so the changes that you have done in your PIM, the customization in the repository that you have done in 7.0.04 has to be merged into the standard repository of 8.0.6. So for that one, we use the repository editor to merge the repository. Now what's the prerequisite? Now the prerequisites before start merging the repository is, as let's say you are upgrading from 7.1.04 to 8.0.6. Now you need to have your customized repository of 7.1.04, and you have to have the standard repository of the same version, which is 7.1.04, the standard repository, which comes with the product release. Similarly, you need to have the PIM 8.0.6 standard repository, basically the target version repository on which you are upgrading. So this is the prerequisite that you need to have. So now we are going to have a look at the demo, how to merge the repository. Okay, for merging the repository, we need the repository editor. So always you need to use the repository editor of the target version. So let's say if you are upgrading to 8.06 version, you need to get the repository editor of the 8.06 version. So once you get the repository editor of the target version, you extract it. We launch the eclipse.exe, and this will open the repository editor software, the two. Okay, so now once we have this repository manager ready, once it is open, there are two options. One is create change file and another one is apply change file. So there are two steps in the repository merge. First is we have to create the change file, and second is we have to apply the change file. So basically when we create the change file, what we need is so let's say you're upgrading from 7.1.04, so 7.1.04 standard repository, which comes with the product release, and 7.1.04 customized repository, which you are using in the current environment. So let me show you here the let me show here. So if you see here, we have three files. So one is a repository, PIM 7 customized repository, which has the custom sub entities into it, and the PIM 7 original repository, and we have got the PIM 8 original repository, which is the standard repository which comes with the product release. So we are now going to perform the step of creating the change file. Now when we create the change file, we need two things. So in the original, we have to keep the standard repository of the PIM 7.1.04. So basically from the version where you are upgrading. So I'm gonna go here into the merge repository. So I'm going to take the PIM 7 original repository, which is this one. Now changed is nothing but the customized, which you are using, which has some custom changes done into it, so this is the customized repo. Okay, now once that is done, what it's going to do is it's going to generate the delta.xml. okay, and this will be used in the next step when we are going to apply the change file. So it's currently generating the delta based on the PIM 7 original and the PIM 7 customized. Now it has created, there were no errors, we can close it. It would have created the delta.xml into this. Now we are going to apply the changes. Now what for applying the changes we need is the original of the target repository. So the target repository is nothing but the PIM8 original repository, the 806 version repository. Now the change is nothing but we have to give the delta XML which has been created as a part of the previous step of creating them. So this is going to create the change file, which is nothing but new customized dot repository, which will have the 806 standard repository plus the customization that you had in the previous version. So it's going to merge it. So now we are going to execute this process. So currently it is applying the delta, and let's wait for the process to finish. So the changes were integrated successfully. You can check for if there are any errors or during the merge of the repository. However, this is successfully merged. So all your custom changes that you would have done in the PIM 7.1.04 repository would have been merged into the standard repository of 806, which is your target repository. So if you check here, it has created the new customized dot repository, which you can use it in your 806 version. So for more information, you can check the KB and the documentation, basically the migration manual. We would like to hear from you on support videos @informatica.com and on Twitter. Thank you.